Hi, this is Dan Whitney with the Whitney Law Firm here in Towson, Maryland. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you are wondering, how do I get a refund for bed bugs in a hotel? So if you're asking that question, that means that unfortunately you've probably stayed at a hotel and been bitten by bed bugs. And if you have, a refund may be the least of the compensation you are able to recover. So I'm a lawyer. I've been handling bed bug cases for approximately 10 years. I've handled a lot of them, mostly in Maryland. And people often want to know, can I get a refund because I got bit by bed bugs in my hotel room? And the answer is usually yes, you can. But the better answer is not only can you get a refund, you can probably get, depending on the facts of the case and how badly you were bitten and did you find enough evidence of the infestation, the question is, how much more compensation can you get? In other words, what is your case worth? So usually if somebody gets bit by bed bugs in a hotel and they're able to provide proof of the infestation, which really just means taking a picture, catching a bug, putting it in a cup, or taking a video of the bugs crawling around on the sheets, which is disgusting, any decent hotel, and even the not so decent hotels, should pretty quickly offer a refund. That's pretty much status quo. But the trickier ones may say, well, we'll give you a refund, but we want you to sign this release. And you should basically almost never, if ever, sign a release before you speak with an attorney, unless you really understand what it is you're signing and what it is a release means. And a release in that scenario would mean you are agreeing not to sue them or bring any claims for anything else related to your stay at the hotel. And you may very well be selling yourself and your claim short, because bed bug claims can be worth a significant amount of money depending on how badly you were bitten and the extent of the infestation and some other factors. So yes, you should absolutely be able to get a refund for bed bugs in a hotel if you're bitten. You really should just make sure that you've got proof of the infestation and you present it to the GM, to the general manager. And if for some reason they say no, you would certainly then perhaps write a letter to corporate and say, look, I've got bit, here's my proof, or here's a link to a video that's the proof, and all I want is my money back. But keep in mind, you may be selling yourself short, and it's a good idea if you are bitten by bed bugs in a hotel to contact a lawyer who knows how to handle those claims, who can give you some input as to what your claim might be worth and ways to go about maximizing that. So I hope that's been helpful. We offer free consultations. Just go to the website, www.whitneyfirm.com, and let us know if you need a consultation on your potential case. If you need more information on anything related to bed bugs, please watch the rest of our channel. And if you want to see a video on any particular aspect of bed bug litigation, please just leave it in the comments, and I'll see if I can make one. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.